Hey guys, my name is Diana. Welcome back to my food channel, Hot and Ready, where I share my recipes with you guys every week. So let's get started. Okay, so today I am going to share with you guys my recipe of spinach chicken Alfredo pasta. It is very simple, it's tasty, it's full of my favorite veggies, spinach, onions, mushrooms, tomatoes, lemon juice, and my love. So yeah, I'm going to take you with me. Okay, so I'm going to start with chicken. I am starting with seasoning the chicken using peppercorn, yappity yap, chicken seasoning salt, garlic powder, you know how I love my garlic, red pepper flakes for some little bit of heat, yuppity yup, more pepper, parsley, add some green to it, the oomph, right? Now I'm just mixing it with a spoon because just because I can and that's what's in my hand. I took a break because that was a lot of work, as you could tell. Now I'm back at mixing it up, yuppity yup. We're going to speed it up. I'm adding more of chicken seasoning, garlic powder, parsley, and lemon juice. Adding more seasoning, paprika, and garlic powder. Now right here is my favorite part. I'm playing with the butter right here. I gotta go a little bit fancy today. So I'm just making sure that the whole grill pan has the butter because that's where we're gonna cook the chicken. I'm adding onions and garlic. Mixing everything up. I'm adding cilantro for that freshness. Letting it cook for a bit. And then we're gonna add the chicken. I'm adding a little bit of black pepper to the onions and cilantro. And just mixing everything up again, Now here's the fun part. I'm adding the chicken. Yeah, look at that. That's beautiful. Look at all those colors. And now I'm just going to let the chicken cook with the onions and cilantro. Just mixing everything up with a spoon. Added more butter. I love my butter. Look at that, starting to look nice. The smell of cilantro is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, you guys. I'm adding mushrooms, white mushrooms. They are cleaned. And yeah, and I'm going to add spinach to this too. Letting everything cook. Adding more mushrooms, Look at this fresh dill. This is beautiful. Mix everything up. Yuppity yup. Now I'm putting it in the oven for about 15 minutes. And I ended up adding tomatoes. I forgot to add my tomatoes. So I ended up adding them. So right here I'm cooking the noodles in the Alfredo sauce. And just playing with the noodles. You know, you gotta play with your food when you cook, okay? Show the food that you love it. Adding dill and cilantro. And mixing everything up. Adding black pepper. Parsley. And adding the meat. That this looks so beautiful. And just mixing everything up. And then I'm gonna add fresh spinach. Look at that. Look at that spinach. You know, I like my veggies and all my pastas. And yeah, this is practically done. Add a little bit, you know, of cheese of your choice and some seasoning, and that's it. I added garlic powder and paprika. I love my paprika. Making sure that, you know, everything is in the pot. I'm adding cilantro, more cilantro, and dill. You know, I love my fresh herbs. Black pepper, Parmesan cheese, and there you go. Look at this beautiful plate. Now, when I tell you I can eat, I can eat. I might be 8 feet tall and, you know, tiny, but I can eat when it involves vegetables. Now, this is my plate. I'm adding dill. Look at that. It came out. The pictures and the video do not do that justice, but the flavors were amazing. Adding more parm and sesame seeds, something different, you know, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this simple, tasty, filling recipe, and as I always say, have a blessed evening. Bye bye. See you next time.